Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks videos. Today guys, I'm going to show you guys how to unpublish a page from your Facebook page. So if you probably created a Facebook page and you decide to unpublish it, when you click on the unpublish icon, it actually makes your page invisible but only visible to you. So what this means is actually you just make the page invisible to the public, and then whenever you're ready you can go ahead and publish the page back. And notice that this can also take effect on even older pages or current pages. But before we go ahead and do that, let's go ahead and search for these pages on different accounts. So go ahead and click on search and then type Pathfinder. That's actually the name of the page. So I'm typing Pathfinder. Let me go ahead and search for it first. So there you can see the page displayed for you. So this is the page. It has 0 followers. So in order to make this page on or invisible to every other person's, to the public also, let's go ahead and unpublish the page. And how to do that is just to come to the pages, select a particular page which you want to unpublish, and then go ahead and click on the more option, scroll down to settings, or you can just go ahead and select edit pages. It's still the same thing. Scroll down to the bottom, select settings, and then go to the general settings, which is still the same thing by going to other processes. Wait for it to load. It won't take much time. It's just going to take some time. And then once it's open, you can notice the unpublish icon. It's just right here. You can notice the page visibility. So you can notice publishing your page makes it visible to the public. If you click on unpublish, it will be only be seen by people with a page role, like the admin, the managers, the editors, whichever pages. So if you unpublish a page, definitely maybe the page is going under some development, or you want to make some changes to the page, so you decide to unpublish it. So once you click on the unpublish, the public will not be able to have access to this page, and they will not be able to comment or see your recent post. You will only be the one to have access to it. But you guys should know that this is different from deleting your page permanently. Is a different thing. Deleting your page permanently means it's no longer going to be on the Facebook page. It's going to be deleted from the database. But unpublishing it makes it still there, but only visible to you. So that's what I want to show you guys. You guys can do this anytime you are probably working on your page, editing it, trying to put your pages in order. That's probably something that will be useful to you. So if you guys learned from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and don't forget to share the video with your friends. See you guys soon, and please stay home and stay safe with me. See you guys on my next video. Peace.